Exploring the world of graphic design. What you need to know. Introduction. Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of graphic design. Ever wondered what it's all about? Stick around as we unravel the magic behind visual communication. Let's jump right in. Defining graphic design. So, what exactly is graphic design? At its core, graphic design is the art of creating visual content to communicate messages, ideas, or concepts. It's everywhere around us, from the logos on your favorite products to the layouts of websites and magazines. Elements of graphic design. Graphic design incorporates a variety of elements. Typography, or the arrangement of text, is a crucial component. Fonts convey emotions and enhance readability. Color choices evoke feelings and create visual harmony. And of course, imagery, like photos and illustrations, help tell the story. Purpose and impact. Graphic design serves a myriad of purposes. Whether it's advertising a product, conveying information, or even expressing emotions, design influences how we perceive and interact with the world around us. A well-designed poster, for instance, can captivate attention and drive action. Graphic design process. Behind every impressive design lies a meticulous process. It starts with understanding the client's needs and target audience. Research follows, delving into trends and competitors. Then comes the brainstorming and sketching phase, where ideas begin to take shape. Tools of the trade. Graphic designers rely on a toolkit of software. Adobe Creative Suite, featuring Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, is a staple. These programs allow designers to manipulate images, create vector illustrations, and design layouts with precision. Different specializations. Graphic design isn't a one-size-fits-all field. There are numerous specializations, from web design to branding, packaging design to motion graphics. Each requires unique skills and a keen eye for detail. Importance of communication. One of the key aspects of graphic design is effective communication. Designers need to translate complex ideas into visually appealing and understandable visuals. A balance between creativity and clarity is essential. Collaboration and feedback. Collaboration is often at the heart of great design. Designers work closely with clients, understanding their vision and incorporating feedback. This iterative process ensures the final product aligns perfectly with the intended message. Evolution of graphic design. Graphic design has evolved alongside technology. From hand-drawn illustrations to digital masterpieces, the possibilities are endless. Designers adapt to new trends and technologies, pushing the boundaries of creativity. Wrap up. And there you have it, a glimpse into the captivating world of graphic design. It's more than just aesthetics. It's about telling stories, sparking emotions, and leaving a lasting impact. Thanks for joining us on this exploration today. Outro. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow enthusiasts. Feel free to drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep your creative juices flowing.